Stacking my paper, man, that's what I'm on. Ducking these haters, man, that's what I'm on. Keeping it clear, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Keeping it solid, man, that's what I'm on. Flipping my guala, man, that's what I'm on. Full of that broccoli, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Stacking my paper, man, that's what I'm on. Ducking these haters, man, that's what I'm on. Keeping it clear, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Keeping it solid, man, that's what I'm on. Flipping my guala, man, that's what I'm on. Full of that broccoli, man, that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on, that's what I'm on. Yeah, I be on some other shit. Came up from nothing hustling. Y'all boys on this sucker shit. Out here begging and the suffering. I ain't asking for no handouts. Hit the streets and got them bands out. Been trill, yeah, I been bout it. Gang sour, had to reroute it. Bigger cars, bigger houses, better kush, more thousands. Stand down, stand true. Keep these fuck niggas from round me. Lame niggas wanna down me. Man, but your bitch wanna crown me.
Nobody got what?
Ain't nobody got like this in town.
That bow tie. Throw it all off.
Kill the bow tie?
Kill the bow tie.
Then it's straight grill. But if it's flat, it's grill. I don't know, I'm just freestyling about this little chrome piece here, but I will take that plastic molded.
Yeah, used to treat my mattress like that AT.
And use that as a background for the grill, so at least have a backing.
Yeah. I see where you're going with it.
But we don't have to, but it'll make a big difference. I mean, to save time, you know what I'm saying? I just make sure it's flat. Then you don't want to see that, it's going to be kind of different because, yeah, it'll be better with that background.
Yeah. It'll cover up all that stuff, yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Trying to make me a meal, so I'ma keep me a plate.
You looking for a Pro 2?
It's kind of like my panel popper.
I just saw it. Ain't this it right here?
Yeah, that's it right there. That's what I'm talking about. I'm blind as hell. You scream bloody murder on every little.
Alright, so we can.
Saturday evening, Sunday or something like that.
So we think it'll be the paint today or tomorrow?
Painting. Are you keeping them updated?
Yeah. Well, this here for YouTube.
Nah.
This right here is for YouTube. Almost ready for paint. Should be painted. Well, my watch is an hour fast, so should be painted in about an hour. He wants the spoiler black. So the spoiler would be black. And this would be red. Yep. Come on. All right. All right, we're in the booth. Should be painted in a few minutes. Huh? Okay. What up, YouTube? I know I ain't talked too much on this one, but I'm gonna have like 7 days to get it done. But it's done. Just dropped my kids off to get the bumper, the front bumper and the back bumper enough time to dry before I paint the spoiler. For some reason, he wants the spoiler black, you know. Me personally, I would have done it all red. I tried to tell him to do it red, but he insists on painting black. So that's what we're finna do. Finna move the bumper out, move the car out, and paint the spoiler. And we'll see tomorrow how it comes together. But I've been doing this car thing, man, for over 8 years now. And my vision has rarely been wrong, but I don't think that black spoiler gonna look good. But hey, it's whatever the customers want. It's what they think. It's what they like. You gotta give them what they want. So, but the rest of this shit looks good as fuck. Nasty. We took an old, raggedy, cheap ass fiberglass bumper and made it into some quality. This motherfucker had nicks, knacks. The grill, the mesh was barely on. It had wrinkles in it. It wasn't straight. I mean, pure D trash. We took a trash body kit and turned it into top quality. It didn't fit the gaps. I mean, but anyway, it's done, y'all. Let me go on and pull this out and get this spoiled in here. Yeah. Hold on, man. Before I sign, I'm going to tell y'all how bad this bumper was. This shit was so bad that on the instructions, it says installed by professionals only with 10 plus years of experience. That's it. That's all it said. And the rest of it was in like Chinese. Shit's crazy. But anyway, man, it turned it from shit to sugar. So, all right, y'all. Let me get to work. Yeah. What up, YouTube? We'll make this shit short and sweet. Spoiler done. Slicked out. So, everything will be gone. Put on the car tomorrow, and the car will be going home tomorrow. So, I done put in my 12 hours. Time for me to head home. See y'all tomorrow.
I don't take pictures of my work, but I'm about to motherfucking take pictures.
Look at that last little tape off.
Try not to take pictures.
Well, I need to get some double-side tape to put that RS on.
Yeah. This ain't bad. It's alright. It'll pass for a body. Camera.
Looks good on camera. You want to pull it out? Pull it out and put it over here?
Yeah. Video shit. Chuck it in.
Cleaned up. Give y'all a little fast walk around on it real quick because he's on his way to get it. Hate it's been raining.
I don't know, man. Like, I just had this motherfucking thing, man. What is that?
Like it's ready to take off. Ready for flight. Came out badass, man. 7 days today. Dropped it off last Sunday. Picking it up 7 days later. You check up front?
Yeah, I'm looking up for it, man. Somebody damn something.
Alright, y'all. Subscribe and, man, see what I do next, man. I wish I could just get a badass. I can't. Alright, y'all. Subscribe and see what I do next. We out this bitch.